Hello all, my name is Reena Prabha, PGP batch of 2024 to 2026 from Section F. Um, I'm here to discuss on a topic which all young adults can relate to, why young Indians feel broke, the truth about income inequality. So, have you ever wondered why no matter how hard you work, you still feel broke? Why your salary disappears the moment rent, groceries and taxes are paid? And why the gap between the rich and the rest of us keeps growing. Here's the reality. So, India's economy is booming, but the benefits aren't reaching anyone. So, the richest 1% hold more than 40% of the country's wealth, while half of the India's population owns just 3%. That's not just an imbalance, it's a crisis. Let's break it down. Think about back in 2010, a fresh graduate in India earned around 25,000 per month. Today, maybe 35,000. But when you adjust for inflation, your purchasing power is actually lower than it was a decade ago. Meanwhile, CEO salaries have skyrocketed. The wealthiest business leaders earn in a single day what many of us won't make it in years. So the rich are getting richer while the young professionals are stuck in a cycle of just getting by. So now let's talk about expenses. Rent in cities like Bangalore and Mumbai has doubled in the last 10 years. Fuel prices up by nearly 70%. Food essentials like vegetables, milk, and even eggs cost way more than they did before. And let's not even get started on the education loans. A few decades ago, a middle class Indian could dream of buying a house, owning a car, and saving for the future. Today, even well paid professionals are struggling with just rents and bills. How did we get there? So, three big reasons explain this growing financial stress. So, the first one is the wealth concentration. A few billionaires control most of the wealth while wages remain stagnant. The economy is growing, but the salaries aren't keeping up. Second is the changing job market. Many high paying, stable jobs have been replaced by the contract work, gig economy roles, and automations. The result? More work, less security. Third, the tax burden. While corporates get tax cuts, the middle class ends up paying more through high GST on essentials, income tax, and rising indirect taxes. So we are paying more, but what are we really getting in return? So, solution, better wage policies. India needs a wage system that grows with inflation, not against it. We need a reforming taxes. The rich should be taxed fairly, while the essential should be more affordable. Skill-based education. Instead of just degree, we need industry-level training that actually gets young people well-paying jobs. Personal finance awareness. If salaries aren't increasing, investing, freelancing, and side hustles are becoming essential for financial survival. Here's the thing, this isn't just about numbers, it's about a future. If we don't address these issues, an entire generation of young Indians will struggle to achieve financial independence. The system may be broken, but we are not still powerless. Start conversation and push for a change, and most importantly, take control of your financial future. The rich are getting richer. The question is, will we let ourselves stay broke? Think about it. Thank you.